To send money to friends and family using PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account and clicking on the Send and Request tab. Select the Send to Friends and Family option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Make sure the recipient has a PayPal account, as they will need to accept the payment. If they do not have an account, they can create one for free. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You can also add a note to the payment if you want to include a message. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's information, the amount, and any fees associated with the transaction. PayPal does not charge a fee to send money to friends and family, as long as you use your PayPal balance or bank account. However, if you use a credit or debit card, there may be a small fee. Once you have reviewed the payment details, click the Send button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive an email notification that they have received a payment, and they can then accept the payment and transfer the funds to their bank account or PayPal balance. It is essential to only send money to people you know and trust, as PayPal offers buyer and seller protection for commercial transactions. But these protections do not apply to friends and family transactions. By following these steps, you can easily send money to friends and family using PayPal, making it a convenient and secure way to transfer funds to people you know.